Are you wondering what's really involved in creating a Wikipedia page for your company or brand? When does it make sense? When is it too soon? And what's actually required to make it last? I'm Albin from Wikiconsult. In this video, I walk you through why and when a company should create its own Wikipedia page and how to know if the timing is right for you. Before we dive in, this video is based on a detailed article on our website, which you'll see in the background throughout. If you prefer reading or want more in-depth info, just check out the link in the description. All right, let's get started with why Wikipedia matters. Wikipedia remains one of the top 10 most visited websites in the world every single year. And because so many of the websites link to it, a new page almost always ends up in the top 3 Google results within a few days or weeks. That visibility alone can be a game changing. For instance, when people type a company's name plus Wikipedia, they're not doing that by accident. They're often looking for neutral, factual information before they buy a product, use a service, or invest in the company. Having a Wikipedia page gives you a trusted reference point, a place where people can verify who you are and what you do without the promotional tone of your own website. And as a bonus, Google often uses information from Wikipedia to generate its knowledge graphs, those boxes that appear on the right side of search results when you look up a brand or a big figure. That data often comes straight from Wikipedia. So, if your company already has a growing online presence and people are starting to search for you by name, that's usually a strong signal that it's time to consider having a page. Now, let's talk about SEO. Wikipedia has a domain authority of over 90 out of 100, which means that any association with it is powerful for your visibility. You can add links to your website in 3 places on a Wikipedia article. First, in the info box, second, in the external link section, and third, sometimes within the references when the company's own publications are cited as sources. These links are no follow, meaning they don't pass direct link juice, but they still but they still help improve trust and visibility in search engines. In fact, researchers estimated that the traffic Wikipedia sends to external websites each month would cost between $7 and $30 million in paid ads to replicate. That gives you an idea of its impact. But visibility isn't everything. Creating a Wikipedia page also means participating in a collective educational project, one that's free, open, and accessible worldwide. It's an opportunity to contribute knowledge about your field or your company in a neutral, transparent way. Of course, it comes with responsibility. You have to respect the encyclopedia's editorial rules. That means not treating your page as a marketing tool and not assuming it belongs to you. Once it's published, it becomes part of a global collaborative knowledge base maintained by volunteers. And that's part of what gives Wikipedia its credibility. Now for the most important part, timing. Before you even consider creating a page, ask yourself one question. Do at least 2 national media outlets like the New York Times, Forbes, the Wall Street Journal, or Bloomberg already cover my company in sufficient depth and at least 2 years apart? If the answer is no, then it's probably too early. In that case, your best next steps to work on your press coverage, build relationships with journalists, and aim for independent, in-depth articles that analyze a company from the outside. That's what Wikipedia calls secondary, independent, and reliable sources. They are the foundation of every legitimate article. If you're unsure where you stand, exactly what we assess in our Wikipedia eligibility audit at Wikiconsult tells you whether a company qualifies now, and if not, what steps you can take to get there. So to sum up, a Wikipedia page can be a huge asset for your company's visibility, authority, and credibility, but only if it's created for the right reasons and at the right time. If you want to know whether a company qualifies, or if you'd like professional help creating or maintaining a page, visit wikiconsult.com. You'll find everything there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for another video.